Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back with our Kivy. And we're gonna stick with the Kivy file right now. So alright, we've learned how to that we need to make a Kivy file to run parallel and support our Python file, our .py file, for our Kivy application. Now, this is a very basic root widget. So, alright, our outermost left, I'm going to say this probably every time we do this until it gets annoying. Our outermost widget is our root widget. You can only have one root widget. So now, when you do it this way, you can only have one object come out. So we're going to learn how to have multiple labels. And the first one we're going to learn about is a box layout. And it's literally this simple. Let's come down here. So box layout. So let's bring this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We add one thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, text, and we're gonna label, and we extend our knowledge. So all right. I'm going to show you, we're going to break this up. World, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to delete this. And also to remind you to get our command line, we can just go to the file, the subdirectory of where, make sure this is seeable, yep. Then we're going to run Python and my app.py, and then we're going to go over what this is actually doing. So alright, let's pull this up. Okay, this is the way box layout works. It defaults into a vertical, and it's going to split it evenly. So if I were to, let's get rid of this. Close. Control S for save. Rerun this. It's going to split it evenly. So our new root widget is a box layout, which is already predefined in Kivy, and then we're dropping in 2, 3, or however many labels, and its default is a vertical split evenly. So there we go. We're going to continue to build upon this, because now next time we need to then import some of these to stay legitimate in Python, and we're going to learn where those are hidden in the Kivy module for Python. So we're going to do this in parallel, where we're going to learn how to do it with the KV file, and then we're going to learn how to do it with the Python Kivy module, because this can get very confusing very, very quickly, and we're just going to do little bite-sized videos. So please, 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 if this doesn't make any sense, please drop any comments, questions down below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.